Another audit is being conducted at Lusaka's intercity bus terminus. This time around, it is auditors from the Ministry of Local Government carrying out the audit. Local Government Deputy Minister Fori Tembo has disclosed that the ministry has thought it necessary that a second audit is conducted, as indications are that revelations of the Lusaka City Council audit are but just a tip of the iceberg. Mr. Tembo says the auditors will in 2 months present a report to his ministry for further analysis and possible action.
We have actually engaged our colleagues in the audit department to go to Lusaka City Council and do the entire audit so that we can come up with the truth.
A month ago, the Lusaka City Council released a report in which a report of theft of more than 4,000 receipts was revealed, though no report of theft had been made. This revelation raised speculation as to whether or not the 4,000 plus receipts were erroneously issued, and that if bus operators for which the receipts were issued were for local routes, then 1 million kwacha was lost. And if at all the receipts in question were issued for international routes, it simply means that more than 10 million kwacha was lost. The said report has since been presented to the Drug Enforcement Commission for further investigations. Key suspects in the case were said to have gone missing, and to date, law enforcement officers have not disclosed as to whether or not any suspects have been arrested. Mwapek Mwenda, Movie TV News, Lusaka.